welcome back. We're gonna go into the Pas De Bourree, but this time we're gonna do a little bit of twist. You remember the twist that we did last week that you learned, right? You remember you did the twist with the cross step. You're gonna do exactly the same thing now with Pas De Bourree, okay? Another step that's nice, a bit complicated, but don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna help you out, all right? So let's go through the basic again, and then we're gonna start adding twist in it. And you're gonna see how you can create something spicy from something simple. Let me show you. So we're gonna go basic, Pas De Bourree, Pas De Bourree. Now remember the twist, what we did, twist is this, right? So how I'm gonna incorporate this into the Pas De Bourree, I'm gonna show you now. 1, 2, pa, pa, 1, 2, pa, pa, 1, 2, pa, pa, twist, step, step, 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 ta, ta, boom, pam, pam, boom, pam, pam, boom. All right? So again, we're gonna go into Pas De Bourree, 2, 3, 4, twist, pam, pam, boom, boom, pam, 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 boom, boom, pam, pam, boom, boom, basic, pa, 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 boom, boom, pa, pa, boom, boom, pa, pa, boom, boom, pa, 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 pa. Okay, good. I'll show you again with the music, and then it's your turn. Let's go.